Capricorn, getting ready to do a general reading for you. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you, Capricorn. This reading is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Yeah, my dogs are playing outside. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsies. Oopsie. Oh God. It fell out. Okay, I'll take those cards and yeah. Wow. You've got a lot of major arcana happening there. Here. Oh my God, wow. Capricorn. What's happening? Guys, card at the bottom of the deck is King of Cups. I feel someone wants to offer you a new beginning with them. In the recent past, things did not pan out to be very pleasant for you, Capricorn. You could have been involved with a Sagittarius person or an Aquarius person. But I feel they were quite immature when it came to love and things ended. And the end was very painful. But I see that there's some new person who is trying to get to know you. If not you, then I think if not them, then I think it's you who wants to get to know a new person. Guys, please excuse the noise from outside. There's work happening. In India, there is Navratri celebrations happening, and this is the second day, and people are here up and down trying to, get all the ceremonies started and all. Um, Moving on, guys, I feel this person that you were involved with could have been an outside individual as well, or this new person that you have an eye for could be an outside individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. Um, but I feel that they are a bit, they're not giving you any signs, and so you feel stuck. You're waiting for communication with them. There could be a possibility that you are juggling between two people, somebody from your past and someone that you have an eye out for. Or this could be their energies, Capricorn. The person that you're looking at, or this new person, he or she has options. So be careful, and when you take a decision, make sure it's a well thought through decision. I feel that this person wants to offer you a new beginning, and if there's a choice happening, they're going to choose you. But I strongly believe that if there's a choice between you and the other person, they should choose the other person, because if they were really true to you, there wouldn't have been a choice, right? So, but then at the end of the day, it's your choice, your call, it's all up to you, your decision, guys. So, don't worry about it. You know exactly what to do when this time comes, when this new person or this old person from your past wants to come and offer you this new beginning. You will know exactly what to do, so don't feel scared. Guys, I now I really know that this person is somebody from your past. Now, this is not necessary that you have been involved with them romantically. This person could be from your school, from your college, from a former workplace. They could also be from a town that you once lived in, anybody from the past. They really want to communicate with you and offer you something beautiful. They see a 10 of Pentacle energy with you, which is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful energy. The Virgo card, the Hermit card has come out, and there's a lot of earth energy that is happening. Either you have it, but I feel that this person has a lot of earth in their chart, and they are really looking forward to communicating with you, Capricorn. Um, I just forgot, even you are an earth sign, so it could be your energies trying to, contact this new person. Um, Whether it's you or them, a lot of communication is happening. And if it's not happening as of now, then it will be happening very soon, around the 28th, probably, or the 30th. This person, whoever it is, they feel that you bring in balance into their life. You feel that this person brings balance into your life, and probably in the past they had to pay attention to other aspects of their life, and they just sidelined this connection. But now they are sure about what they want, and they want you, Capricorn. They want you. And being away from you is being burdensome for them. They are burdened with lot of responsibilities, but they want you by their side because um, they feel life becomes easier when they can share it with you, Capricorn. And if it's not them, then I feel it's you who feels light and beautiful when they're there, because you feel that you can share your burdens with them and you can share your stress with them, and they will just make it disappear in no time, which is a beautiful, innocent love that that this person brings into your life. And um, whether he or she is from your past or somebody from your future or current, or your present moment, uh, whoever this person is, basically, um, they are good for you. So yes, you are moving on from somebody now. People who are not going back to the person from their past are moving on from them and offering this new love to somebody else. Could be somebody you have worked with or working with, or it could be somebody who you have studied with. Whoever this person is, probably they're feeling very stressed out right now, and when you go to them, they'll feel happier, like they'll feel at ease. But be careful, they might have some um, secrets, they might be a little deceptive. So take your time, and you've got the Lovers card, the Two of Cups, and you've got the Lovers also. Could be a Gemini person that you're looking at, or a Gemini person who's coming at you. Could be a Pisces person as well. Whoever it is needs to take a decision, or you need to take a decision regarding them. Could be somebody you worked with, as I mentioned earlier. Um, yeah, guys, let's see some Moonology cards for you. You can hear the temple bells. Yeah. A new romantic cycle begins, guys. You're very close to achieving your goal. Look at the bigger picture and bring love into this situation, Capricorn. You want me to draw another card? I think I should, right? Yeah. The answers you need are coming. Gemini. You've got the full moon in Gemini, new moon in Aquarius, full moon in Sagittarius, new moon in Libra. You've you've got a beautiful um, mix of cycles that are ending and beginning, leading to stability, leading to freshness, and the much awaited relief from past negativity. Be assertive. Yeah. So, guys, if you are taking a decision and you're really confused, or there are like two three people coming at you and offering something, and um, you've already made your decision, then be assertive with other people, with the other people, and tell them to lay off if this message makes sense to you. If not, then this is for somebody who had asked the question. Could be a Capricorn, could be a cross watcher, and this message is for you. Whatever situation is that is I'm so sorry, I'm fumbling again. Whatever it is that you're looking for or asking about, the answer is be assertive and you'll know what to do. So guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching, Capricorn. Bye.